What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu. And for all the Shiba Inu token holders, I think it is very, very important to make sure you get this video circulating out there. So smash that like button and also click the subscribe button that I think is going to be right around here, and join the army. So let's go ahead and talk about Shiba Inu, what we have for a timeline in terms of the catalysts, and what we are looking forward to for the near and long-term future. As you guys know, Shiba Inu has been consolidating pretty much for the last week. So again, we went all the way up to 870 to 920 Satoshi units, which we thought was maybe a new level of support, but we saw a significant sell-off following, but again, holding higher lows. So our support line is a little higher than it was before, right around that 620 to 630 Satoshi units. So things are looking better in terms of support from the community, and we've established a higher level of support, which is always a bullish flag. Now, in addition to that, we know we have some catalysts that we're looking forward to in the short term. So let's talk about each and every one of those individually, and then we're going to talk about some of the long-term things that will take Shiba Inu directly to the moon. But remember, guys, I am not a financial advisor, nor do I make these videos for financial advice. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First and foremost, Webull. Webull has beta testing live right now for Shiba Inu. So with SHIB token getting ready to get released for the first time on a centralized brokerage platform, it is going to be, in my opinion, an absolute game changer, because we know Webull and most of these big brokerages are very selective in choosing the tokens that they list. They will usually list things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. They've all joined on and recently started adding things like Dogecoin. But Shiba Inu, because of our community backing and how strong the SHIB army is, we put pressure on Webull to list SHIB. And when we basically, again, when we go ahead and put pressure on anything, it ends up creating some pressure on a brokerage or a platform to list us. And guess what happened? The countdown is official. As of the 19th of August, beta testing is now live on Webull, and the countdown is on. So for everybody that has been anticipating this listing, it is finally here. And now, of course, you guys know I'm an affiliate of Webull's. So if you want to support me in any way, shape, or form, and also get ready to trade SHIB on Webull so we can get that media coverage. You know, you guys know those articles that come about on Yahoo Finance and others, and that say, oh, Shiba Inu was just listed on Webull, and more than 100,000 people bought SHIB immediately as it was listed. So if you haven't already, click the link in the description, deposit $5 into your Webull brokerage account to get 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. With that $2,300, you can do whatever you want with it. You can cash it out, say if you're one of the lucky few that gets $2,300, or you can buy SHIB with it directly on Webull for 0 fees. So make sure you guys do so. So that is the first catalyst that we are looking forward to for SHIB, and that is the Webull listing in terms of exchange listings. Also, Coinbase Pro and Coinbase Listing. We know Coinbase listed us on their institutional platform, and we've been patiently awaiting ever since the month of June to get relisted on Coinbase. A lot of people said that Coinbase has bailed, they're no longer going to list SHIB, and 100% I do not believe that is the case. Why? Because here on their website, they're saying that they're experiencing technical issues that will temporarily delay the launch of SHIB. A publicly traded company has no conflict of interest. They don't have conflict of interest in terms of letting people know, hey, we're gonna actually just delist this and that's it. But no, they are letting us know that, hey, we're going to relist SHIB after we figure out what's going on with their system, whatever it might be that's overwhelmed, after, you know, X amount of investors come in right away. And in addition to that, we know they listed Shiba Inu on their institutional platform, allowing big money to get in, people with a $10 million portfolio or more. So make sure you guys understand that the Shiba Inu listing on Coinbase, that will automatically make the buying pressure on 10, 20, 30, 40% gains over a day. We've seen it happen multiple times, magnitude of times. I think 100% of the time when an asset gets listed on Coinbase, what do we see, folks? We see some buying pressure right on, because what? Now we have access to more than 50 million users to buy into a crypto asset. Third, Robinhood. I know that we've been patient. 178,000 people have signed this petition to get Shiba Inu listed on Robinhood's platform. We know it's coming. They were focused on their IPO at the beginning of Q1 2021, spilling over to Q2. And right now, things have slowly but surely calmed down from that perspective. So they're looking at maybe adding new assets or no crypto assets, because we looked at their financial statements. Robinhood needs us more than we need them. So make sure you guys share this video, get this video out to Robinhood so they understand why they need us more than we need them. We know how Dogecoin performed on their brokerage, and the fact that we have a big community backing as well, we'll do the same thing that Doge did. We'll overwhelm their system with the amount of buys and sells and trading that will go on. So again, just one of the 3 catalysts in terms of short-term catalysts that I see will happen probably before the end of the year here in 2021. Now, the future perspective for SHIB. As you guys know, Shytoshi Saturdays were yesterday, and one of the questions that were asked, shout out to JD by the way, from Twitter, JDS_updates. He said here, I asked Shytoshi, what are your thoughts on having a Shiba Inu video game platform, NFT-based platform like Axis, as proposed by JD? Shytoshi said he loves it, and not much else to add on this quite yet. So I know, again, that's kind of ambiguous, but if you guys ask me, we know what's been happening lately with the overall cryptocurrency market, and NFT-based platforms are paid to play video games. The video game industry is huge, and we know that there are 3 billion plus individuals in the world, so a third of the world basically, that associate or kind of claim that they're gamers. A third of the world, including myself. And if you guys know people in your circle, I'm sure everybody, if not at least a few, are gamers. And that's the reality of it. So the fact that the crypto space is trying to bring a marriage between the cryptocurrency community and the gaming community, evolve into one, create pay-to-play games, because gamers, if you could find a game that is actually solid, an MMORPG, something that is interactive, where you level a character, where you have stats, where you have high scores, where you have player versus monster, PvP or PvM attributes to it, that will absolutely change the game for cryptocurrencies and certain platforms. So the Shiba Inu ecosystem is poised and prepared for this kind of integration, because we have the community backing, we have people who are very interactive, we're big on social media. So the marketing aspect for this game will be game over, because if every SHIB army that is a gamer, every SHIB army member that is a gamer talks to their gaming friends about it, and then that friend talks to another friend, you guys know what will happen. The word of mouth is the strongest form of marketing, period. Don't tell me advertisements, don't tell me YouTube videos, no. The word of mouth. If you could speak highly about something and share that with another person, that is what we would call an absolute game changer, and that is how marketing initially started, and that's how it's going to end up being in the future as well. So, again guys, the fact that this is on the radar now, the Shiba Inu video game platform, if it's Shiba World as proposed by JD, or if it's something else, regardless of what it looks like, as long as it's done correctly and properly, I think that we're going to see some significant price action for Shiba Inu. And I'm not talking 2x, 3x, 5x, no. If all of these catalysts come about, end of 2021 through 2022, I'm talking a 100x potential, 1000x potential from current value. And yes, I understand what I'm saying there. 30 billion to a $300 billion market cap. But just understand, when it comes to this gaming industry and gaming infrastructures, that this would actually still be considered reasonably low. So again, just my opinion, of course. And of course, as always, I am not a financial advisor. I'm always just trying to put you guys on, man. Trying to put you guys on the plays that I am in. And of course, Shiba Inu has been one of the biggest ones, and also Ryoshi.vision. I do want to mention before I end the video, Ryoshi.vision, in addition to Shiba Inu, I think is one that you should consider having as a part of your portfolio. Distribution will be going live sometime probably at the end of this weekend. So today is Sunday, maybe by end of day or going into tomorrow. But the fact that their tokenomics have distribution to ex-SHIB holders, they will be distributing Ryoshi.vision tokens to Shiba Inu or ex-SHIB holders, so people who are burying SHIB, which are trillions and trillions of tokens, which are probably, tens of thousands of people that are currently utilizing the bury feature on SHIBASWAP. So once that happens, I think that the Ryoshi.vision and the price action is going to go extremely parabolic. And again, that's just my opinion. Not a 2x, 3x, I'm talking 5 to 10x. And since our initial investment at 650 Satoshi units, we're actually, or 650, now it's at 1700, we're almost up 200% on our initial investment. So you gotta love it, man, gotta love it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you click the subscribe button that's right over there. And again, smash that like button if you haven't already. And guys, we're just trying to grow this community each and every day. And I appreciate everybody's support, especially on the live stream, man. Those live streams are probably one of my favorite things to do. But I appreciate everybody's support from the bottom of my heart. Thank you to the SHIB Army, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. So thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time then, keep investing. Peace.